We're about to enter the gym of the Skye of Turtle Creek, and here it is. So it looks like it has about 3 treadmills, and then it's got 3 other type of kind of stair stepper items. Looks like it has a spin bike there. It's got some barbells over there, and then just kind of a combination machine free weight combination over there. And then it does have more here, so this is really helpful. It does have, you could do some bench presses, and definitely a good size number of dumbbells. And so the space is not huge, but for the space, it's got a good amount. I'd say if you're really into heavy free weights, you may need to supplement it. But if you just need a regular workout, I think you're covered. So it just depends. And then we're going to go outside to the pool of the Skye of Turtle Creek. And every place you go, it does take the clicker. So you have to click that. And this is the pool area. It does have great tables and plenty of tables that are here. Also, well, let's see the pool first. So you got a pretty pool, and I like it because it's different. It's a kind of a darker interior pool with a pebbled look. There's the cabanas that are over there, so that's nice. 3 cabanas with a couch or 2-seaters that are over there. There's a grill, 3 grills. So they're definitely covered on that. Let's see a little bit more of this. You notice too, like I was mentioning, about half of the places have balconies, and the others don't. And then here's the garage. So the garage, is just right by, and the garage is exclusive to the Skye. So it's just going to be other residents, and it's not leased out to somebody else. So there really is a lot of chairs, and the pool is actually pretty large. This is one of the larger pools that I've seen in all of Uptown and Victory Park. So great size pool, and plenty of chairs. So this is the pool at the Skye. Let's go look at some rooms.